Did you know that being too kind can actually destroy your life? Kendra was a nurse practitioner who never said no to anyone. Extra shifts, covering for lazy colleagues, absorbing everyone's problems. She was exhausted, but believed kindness was her only valuable trait. Through therapy, she discovered a shocking truth. Her compulsive niceness wasn't kindness at all. It was a trauma response from childhood neglect. She was performing kindness to feel worthy, but it was preventing real relationships. Slowly, she started saying no to unreasonable requests. She stopped apologizing for simply existing. Something amazing happened. People actually respected her more. Then came the ultimate test, confronting her head nurse who had exploited her for years. That conversation led to policy changes protecting all staff. Kendra finally realized the most important lesson of all. True kindness starts with being kind to yourself first.